Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make this model in Blender. This is a very simple tutorial and I did not use any boolean operation to create this model. When I switch to edit mode and turn on vertex selection mode, you can see that it has very clear vertex also. So let's switch to new window. This is default scene. So first select all the scene, then delete this. Now press Shift A under mesh, select circle. Zoom little bit like this and click on this add circle and change number of vertex, that is 16. Switch to edit mode, press F to fill. Now press I to insert, then press point 1. OK. To repeat this process, press Shift R and repeat few times like this. At the end, you have to press I again, then press M and select here merge at center. Turn on face selection mode. Press 7 for top view. Double click on this face and also double click on this face. Holding shift, select this face. Now press Ctrl I to invert selection. Now delete this faces. Select this face in this way, holding shift, then click on face. Now press I to insert like this. Now delete this. So press delete and select here faces. OK. Switch to object mode. Press Shift A under empty, select plane axis. Select this circle, click on this modifier properties, click on this add modifier and select here array modifier. Uncheck this relative offset. Select this object offset. Under this box, select empty. Change number of count, that is 8, and select this empty, and we have to rotate this empty on Z axis. So press N and change rotation value of Z axis, that is 360 divided by 8. OK. Now select this circle and apply array modifier. Select this empty and delete this. Now switch to edit mode. Turn on this vertex selection mode. Press A to select all the vertex. Right click under merge vertex and select here by distance. Turn on as selection mode. Double click on this edge. Now press E to extrude, then press enter to confirm this. Now press S to scale like this. Again press E to extrude, then press enter to confirm this. Now press S. Now again press E to extrude and press enter to confirm this. Now press S to scale like this. Turn on face selection mode. Double click on this face. OK. So holding control, click on face like this. Now press E, then Z to extrude on Z axis. Switch to object mode. Now press 7 for top view. Press Shift A under Mesh, select plane. Now press Tab to enter into edit mode. Now press S to scale like this. Press delete and select here only faces. And we have to subdivide this. So turn on edge selection mode. Press A to select all the edges. Click on this arrow and check statics. And you can see number of vertex is 16. Sorry, 4. We need 16 vertex. So right click and subdivide. Increase number of cuts. Now number of vertex is 16. Switch to object mode. Okay. Select this. Holding shift, select this. Right click and join this. Switch to edit mode. Okay. Double click on this edge and holding shift, also double click on this edge and click on this edge, select your bridge. Okay. Now this is very simple tutorial to create this model. If you want to provide some thickness, so click on this add modifier, apply solidify. Now you can also apply bevel modifier. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments, like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.